Good day everyone! Now, we'll perform molecular forces and a catalyst experiment called elephant toothpaste. This means that if you mix yeast with hydrogen peroxide, the hydrogen peroxide will rapidly break down into water and oxygen gas. The oxygen gas forms bubbles. These bubbles would usually escape from the liquid and pop quickly. But adding a little dishwashing liquid soap, it provides additional surface tensions and allowing the bubbles to get trapped and creating lots of foam. This foam looks like a giant squeeze of toothpaste, almost big enough for an elephant. Are you excited? But before that, I will show you first the ingredients for making it. First is hydrogen peroxide or agua oxinada. Next is the dishwashing liquid soap. Then, liquid-based food coloring, followed by warm water, and lastly is the dry yeast. And the materials to be used are a clean and empty plastic bottle, mini bowls, scissors, kitchen spoon, measuring spoons, and measuring cup.
Now, we will conduct the experiment procedures. First, we measure 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide and carefully pour into the bottle. Then, we add a big squirt in 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid soap and pour into the bottle. Next, we add a few drops of food coloring directly into the hydrogen peroxide and we swirl the bottle gently to mix. Then, in another bowl, we mix together with another sachet of yeast and 3 tablespoons of warm water. We stir it about 30 seconds and lastly, we pour the yeast mixture into the bottle. Sit back, watch and observe the amazing reaction of all the chemical combined in this experiment.
Have you observed that you probably saw lots of bubbles and foam in this experiment? What makes the foam appear? When the hydrogen peroxide comes into contact with the yeast, it starts breaking down into water and oxygen. Oxygen is a gas and therefore wants to escape the liquid. The dishwashing soap that you added to your reaction, however, trap these gas bubbles, forming a foam. The reaction continues as long as there is some hydrogen peroxide and yeast left. Once one of them runs out, it stops making new foam. If you tried the activity without dishwashing soap, the reaction probably will still make bubbles, but not foam. We hope that you enjoy this experiment. Thank you and God bless.